Hi again, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I thought I'd bring you a quick haul of some fall Bullseye's Playground items that I found at my local Target. Actually, it's not the one that's closest to my house. I ended up going to the one that is one of the farthest from my house because they tend to get things sooner than the one closest to me. Mine still doesn't have any fall or Halloween type items. But anyway, I thought I would show you the few things I got. This particular store was pretty picked over, but I was happy I was able to find a couple of things that I was looking for. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I spotted were these bags of little tiny apples. And I saw someone else show these in a shop with me, and I had been wanting to get some apples for a tablescape I have coming up, and these are the perfect size and perfect colors. There are 1, 2, 3, it looks like there's 6 in each bag, and they were $3. $3. And here's the, if you can see that. But they have little stems on them, and I'll take one out so you can see it. Yellow at the top, but they're mostly red. And I don't want my September tablescape to be pumpkin-y yet, and I wanted to use kind of an apple theme, so these are perfect. Then they had a lot of these sort of velveteen, ultra suede type pumpkins. I wanted to get some blue ones because my kitchen has yellows, blues, and reds in it, and I wanted to use the blue ones in my kitchen. I thought they were very unique. However, if you can see, this one is a navy color. The other ones that looked like they were supposed to be navy had a lot more green in them than this particular one did. And so I went ahead and bought this one because I liked this tone, but I didn't like the others. So I'm hoping my closest Target will get some in this weekend, and then I can have some more that are this true navy color. I got it, oh, and this one is $1. I think most of you know that. I also got this white pumpkin with black polka dots and black stem because we have a larger one of these that we bought from Target a few years ago in the main Halloween section, not the Bullseye's Playground area. And I wanted to have a couple that went together. So this size pumpkin was $3. Then you've probably seen people show and shop with me the fall stir sticks, and I went ahead and got these cup ones. I'm trying to show you there. It says latte on it. They're very cute. They're a dark brown with some gold sparkles in it. And I like to keep these on my coffee bar counter. And then the last thing I got were these that were kind of decor oriented, are a couple of these sets. And I really wish I could have just gotten the dish towel because I'm planning on using the dish towels in a tray display, and these colors go with the colors I have in my kitchen. I don't really need these pot holders, but they are pretty nice to have these silicone ribs on them. So maybe I'll keep them to use as hot pads on my counter instead of as pot holders because I like to use the mitt type pot holders. And then I have a couple more items, but I need to go grab one, so I'll be right back. Okay, so the next thing I got were some washi tapes, and they had these packs of 4 with sparkly black, kind of a coppery orange, it's not a bright orange, a gold, and then a shimmery iridescent white. And I picked, those were $1, so I picked up 2 of those. And then they also had this, it's a little hard to see, it's glittery, coppery colored leaves. And I really thought that was pretty. And I do put tape in my planner, so that's where I'll probably be using these. And then the very last item that I got, this was $7, and I actually saw this in one of Auntie Cuckoo's Shop With Me videos. It's a blanket scarf, and it has these warm golden brown camel color. It's looking a little orange on the screen, but it's really more of a camel color. And then this berry red color on it. And then, so let me see if I can hold it up for you to see. That's one side. Here's the other end. And these colors go perfectly with the curtains that I have in my family room, and I'm actually going to use this as a throw in the family room, not necessarily as a blanket scarf for my own personal use. But I think it could serve double duty. If I ever want to take a scarf with me that's like that, I would get it. And as I said, these are $7. They didn't have too many. They had a gray one. They had a cream colored one with a black window pane check pattern on it. And then this one, and that's all that I remember seeing there. So that's it for this haul video. If you liked seeing the items I got, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, including haul videos such as this one. So I hope you'll tune in again, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care.